it's me. Okay, you know me, Savannah. Okay, the first thing you will need is glue. I am using these two, glitter glue. Elmer's glue, I would prefer you to use Elmer's glue, so yeah. If you're using the white glue of Elmer's glue, I would not use that because last time I did it with my cousin and it did not work, so yeah. And you could do the clear one, yeah, that may work, so yeah. Next thing, you will need a bowl. Third thing, you will need something to stir with, and I'm gonna do the end of this. So let's get started. Okay, so I am gonna use pink today because right now I just made slime. It's in the fridge and it was up to here and I used this much, so yeah. So I'm gonna use the pink one now. So instead of using this, I'm gonna take this off and put as much as you want in here. So yeah, put as much as you want. So I use that much. Take off the last bit and you put it like that. So yeah. So this is as much slime I'm gonna make. This is how much slime I'm gonna make. That's as much slime I'm gonna make for today. So yeah. The second thing. Wait, I forgot one more thing to introduce. So take these away. Put this over here really quick. So yeah. Okay, so I use this. So yeah, and I do not because right here's a hole. So yeah. So for this you put very, very, very little. Okay. So let me see. Let me put this right here. You put a little bit of this, even though it's a little bit, and see. I think I'm running out of here. Let's see, I have that much. So like probably this much, or that's as much I'm gonna put right now. So yeah. Then you start stirring. Put this away if you want. Okay, and then sure ends up like this. If you want, you could pick this up if you want. So yeah, or you could just keep going like this. Yeah, and then so yeah. Let's keep stirring right here now. Okay, it's me. Right now, I am going to check on my slime that I just made. It was the purple one. I don't want to pick it up and show you right now because it's very sticky. You may not see it, but it is right now, so yeah. And I would, if you're done, I would tell you, if you don't want to get your hands dirty and get it everywhere, I would tell you to get help. So yeah. Oh, oops. Okay. Sorry. Okay, then when it's like this, or you think you should stir a little more, you grab it, or you just grab it with whatever you're using to stir. And you pick it up and put it in your fridge, and you should find room before you put it in there. So yeah, yeah. Okay, but no, it's just okay. Right here, the thing that I just opened. Here is my other slime. It is purple. So right now, I am gonna grab this slime and pick it up and put it in. So yeah. So I have to like stir a little bit more just right now so I can pick it up. If you want to use your hands, then that's okay too. Cause yeah. So I grab it. Wait a second. Oh my. Oh. Okay. It was hard putting the slime in there, so yeah. Okay, so stop watching this video and start making that slime. No, I mean it. Go make some slime.